He's like, man, this has been the most screwed up spring break ever. We have snow, 2 feet of snow in Iowa on spring break.
Ryan, you speak Italian.
Italian.
Speak Italian.
I'll eat some meatballs.
Spaghetti. Italian spaghetti. Kala ko na alin kay personal.
Ay.
Birthday. Ano ba talaga pa-chesese? Ano yan? Isang malapit na kanya sa maliwan. Hindi lang makukusinis yun. Hindi lang medyo yan ang gray hair.
What about gray hair?
Me. You.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wata pa na yung tabi ka rin ng kaya. Birthday na rin pa, magkatay ka rin.
Get off the white floor of the rings.
Wata mo.
Kaine.
Missed the excitement. They cut that tree down today. Yeah, there's a stump left. This guy's showing me about like a corn knife.
Malwat pa naman yung tayo kapilan ni Tito. Malwat siya pa pala.
Yeah, 2 corn knives. I figured they get paid by the hour because it took them all day.
Ang iya din nakita niya eh. Uri na yan kasi iya matuturo yan.
Pwede ka banding niya po pag after work. Kamong weekend. Ano yung kay Bal sa rin pa school? Ano ba nung ilaking balik? Awa, masasabi yun. Ay, natin pa ka namin kaya sa rin pa school.
Walang kaya.
Ay,
Atin yung bunga. Wah, yan avocado yan kaya makaya no. Ini naman chico. Yeah.
They did it with their bare hands.
Oo.
Ay, tabukado yan.
Ini nanay ni.
Chico.
Oh, chico yan naman to. Adwalan chico na.
Sa kayo nito.
Ito chico yan naman.
Ay, yung tinibunga yung tinibulaklak yung kayo.
Oo, yung avocado. Oo.
Na, oh.
Dakalya bunga. Oo.
Tagal ng abukado.
Oo.
May tumika rin po sa mustache.
Malaki ila parang kain na niyang bunga.
Malakit, ha?
Malaki ila. Oo.
Kailan maugat niya.
Oo.
Yung mga tuwag ng Amerikano, kain, lalo may linig ng abukado. Salad.
Oo. Kaya katang mo, yung avocado prutas na. Amerika, kahit gulay. Oo.
Kaya palagi nga tilang abukado.
Oo. Yung palaging sa akin.
Import na rin abukado po, Arne.
Oo. Kamal. Kamal na rin avocado.
Pero walang season, adulto at yung na...
Oo, continuous. Oo. Kaya rin, seasonal na rin kahit ka rin na. Round the clock na mga pake. Pero patang kahit talagang ito, kahit mahal. Mahal na. $1.99, balang metong. Oo. Kaya mura na yung 99 cents. Kaya patang wala itong piraso, bali $50. Kaya ay 50 pesos. Oo, may ilagay kendro.
Take it all the way up to moon.
You can take a video on us, huh?
Yeah, I can.
Okay.
It's at 78 meters. Check it out. This is pretty cool. I like to wake up in the morning. I like to visit
Tama
this.
ba po? Wala, maragul kahit ilang darap kayo. Maragul na rin ito.
About an hour drive from here. I want to go visit that sometime before I leave. Yeah, you can try it.
How long the battery is like?
I think 35 minutes. 35. 45.
Ah, it takes long, huh?
Yeah, it's fast. It goes like 35 miles an hour. It's fast. Yeah, it zooms in. Like looking at the mountain.
Motoray.
Yep. It's about an hour drive from here, but then if I don't know where it's at, return home. She'll come right back.
Automatic.
Automatic yung magay.
Wow. Automatic ang
As long
magbalik.
as you got a home point.
Yung kanya mira sila. Casino lang po.
Muli yan na kaya. Balo na. Balo na yung Gulyana.
Kaya punta pa sa picture.
Ay, kaya laro po ito pong Banggaya, titik niya po.